Hi guys, welcome again to my vlog, and we're going to reap the remaining 10 more packs. Fortunately, the only UR that I have got from a box is the uh, Caramel Arrow that was pulled by my niece, and now let us see what else we can get. So, papaldo ba or papalpak? Careful with the scissors. Okay. First pack. Covilier. Mystic Opal. Princess Cookie. Power of Frozen Waves. And a Moon Rabbit Cookie. Alright. Next. Uy. Espresso Cookie. Pirate Cookie. Beef Cookie. Ancient Silver Tree. And a Elder Fairy Cookie. A SUR. Nice, nice, nice. Got a hit there. But I want a Millennial 3. We have Custard. Okay. Eclair. Trap card of Golden and a Tartatin Cookie. Alright. 3 packs with 3 hits. Now let's see. Okay. Good. Pancake Cookie. Prune Juice Cookie. Cookie and a Millennial Twig. No hit from that pack. That 4th pack. Or 5th pack. Scobie. Cream Brulee, Prince Cookie, an item, and oh, a Soul Jam. I need this. Light of Resolution, Soul Jam. Nice. Alright. So last 5. For the last 5. Oops. Millennial 3, please. Angel. Clear. And wow! My niece Samara would love this. A Sea Fairy Cookie. You are ultra rare. Oops. Chili pepper. Avocado. And wow, a Stardust Cookie. Nice. Good. But I want the Millennial. Scobie, Star Coral, Rockstar, and the last 2 packs. Alright. Start Cookie. Okay. Marguerite and a trap card. Last pack magic. Alright. Okay. Avocado Cookie. Last one. That's it. butterfly brooch. So I've got, from that 10 packs, I got 6 pack hit, but there I got the UR of Stardust Cookie, the UR of Sea Fairy Cookie, the Soul Jam, and a SUR of Elder Fairy Cookie. That's it. Thank you guys. That's a good pack or a good box. Thank you, thank you. Nice, nice.